Asking an AI to build a presentation sounds like a massive time saver until you actually open the file. Usually what you get is unusable. Current tools fail in two ways: outputting flat, uneditable images or corrupted files that crash PowerPoint. Getting a first draft is only a fraction of the job. The true friction happens immediately after: tweaking data, fixing layouts, and rewriting the narrative. If a software tool ignores that massive editing bottleneck, it simply doesn't belong in your workflow. There is an open source project called dashiAI-ppt-skill. It operates as a local agent skill designed to plug directly into coding assistants like Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex. Instead of trying and failing to spit out a finished PowerPoint file, this tool takes a completely different route. It generates a fully interactive HTML-based slide editor that runs directly inside your web browser. This shifts the AI's role completely. It goes from a machine that drops a static file on your desk to an active, collaborative sandbox where you maintain total control over the final product. The workflow starts by feeding a source text document directly to your local AI agent. The agent processes your document completely offline. Within moments, it spins up a secure local web link, meaning your proprietary data never actually touches an external server. That link opens up an interactive workspace where every single slide contains its own embedded control console. The scale of adjustability here is massive. Across the interface, there are over 8,500 individual controls. You can drag a slider to increase the number of bullet points, toggle different modules on and off, or swap out an entire chart format in real time. Under the hood, it relies on a built-in library of 12 distinct visual themes and over 1,000 pre-configured professional layouts. But it deliberately restricts free-form, pixel-by-pixel customization. It uses a concept called semantic component locking, keeping the core typography and color palettes strictly tied to the chosen theme. By limiting the total design freedom, it protects the aesthetic baseline. You get absolute control over the data and the layout without ever accidentally breaking the professional look of the deck. A browser-based editor is highly efficient, but eventually that presentation has to leave the web environment and go to your boss or your clients. This is where the tool separates itself from everything else on the market. It includes a true, fully editable PPTX export function. The custom open-source engine, HTML deck to PPTX, handles this translation. It ingests raw web code blocks, meticulously assembling them into a structured PowerPoint file hierarchy. Zooming in, the engine maps dynamic web DOM elements straight back to native PowerPoint nodes. The resulting file opens smoothly in traditional Office software, with all of your text, charts, and layouts perfectly preserved and completely editable. This specific engineering solution bridges a massive gap. It connects the rapid iteration speed of modern web-based AI tools directly to the legacy corporate software we all still rely on. We are finally looking at a practical, reliable way to use AI for high-stakes business documents. By solving the editability bottleneck, professionals and engineers can instantly bypass hours of manual formatting work and jump straight into refining their actual ideas. The most effective AI workflows rarely attempt to replace our established tools entirely. Instead, they provide us with a superior, highly flexible starting point right inside the software we already know how to use. Would you trust an AI to automatically generate your business reports, or do you still prefer to handle the formatting manually? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to check the GitHub repository linked in the description below so you can try this tool out for yourself. Finally, hit that subscribe button to catch more reviews of the latest open source AI tools.